welcome to Flashlight Swear Review and Starlight. And today we have the reboot series. So we both went to Locals with our cousin. We had pocket money, but only $5. We saw her sitting there behind Rarity. Well, the reboot Rarity, but we're gonna get soon because we don't go. Yeah, so we have Lyra here, our best friend buddy. I don't have Lyra, but I have the reboot one. So, here she has is her picture over here, right there. She has all the characters on this. Very sad. A new logo. You can just keep the Hasbro. And she also has Hasbro here. Sorry, my video is a bit mess. Fish face magic. Taller horn and a sippy cup. And at the back of the box you have Lyra's sweet and Bonbon, and Bonbon has two names, Bonbon and Sweetie Jones. Guys, what do you think? Get the new ponies or the old ones? I wish for the old ones back too. And yeah, but you can still keep the poses, Hasbro. Not with fat heads and fat eyes. Yeah. So, oh wait, we can do different packages. This one is just swag. We need to see characters. Come right. I don't know if you can see the characters on here. Yeah. So I think it's time to open the box. Hans, are you doing this for us? What is this? This Twilight into this. I have a Twilight. Hello, it's Crapper Twilight. As you can see, they have different poses. She came with a crown. And she did have plastic on her, but this has plastic. Take that off. Now she can stand up. Oh, still not? Yeah, she can now. So, sorry, the cup didn't fit on Lyra very well. I tried my best. Yeah. So, as I was saying about the background, it's broken. But you can still see it. Can you see all the ponies now? You can see the lines. Yeah, those are the ponies. So, as for Lyra, she has this cup that has a heart on it. Yeah. She has a very white hair and blue. Her body's pretty still. Her key mark is like, I don't know what, a key mark's like, I don't know what this is, I don't know. Okay, she has different poses compared to Twilight. Her one's like, yup, I'm taking it, bro, yeah. Ow. Flash, are you okay? This demon murdered me! I'm taking the cup. Yeah, you can see, I think it could fit me. So as you can see, it goes slightly on like that. I'm taking this. Yeah, these are called the reboot series. Yeah. These plastic things in the hair annoys me. If you try and style your ponies, take out this because it'll get stuck to your pony's mane. Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this